Start. This appeal is directed against the judgment dated 14/5/1999 passed by the Learned Additional Sessions Judge Designated Court 2 Delhi in Sessions Case number 3/97. Stop. Three accused, namely Appellant Manjeet Singh @Cuckoo, Stop, Ajay Kumar and George Innes @Jerry, were booked for trial before the designated court. Stop. By the impugned judgment, the designated court acquitted accused appellant and Ajay Kumar of the charge under Section 120B IPC. Stop. The designated court, however, found the accused appellant Manjeet Singh guilty under Section 302 IPC and under Section of Terrorist Activities and Disruptive (Prevention) Act 1987 and convicted him accordingly. Stop. Hence, the present appeal. Stop. Para. According to prosecution, at about 8:45 p.m. on 6th June 1991, deceased Babu Gurchand Singh, a lawyer, was murdered in his chamber by the appellant and Brij Mohan Shri K.K. Tyagi, PW6, junior counsel attached to the chamber of the deceased J.S. Oberoi, Steno of the deceased, and Shri Bijendra Singh, PW11, a suspended head constable of Delhi Police who was a client of the deceased, were present at the time of the occurrence. Stop. At that time, the deceased was giving dictation to his steno for filing a petition before this court, and a young boy peeped through the door glass of the chamber, and on being signalled by the deceased, he walked inside. Stopped. He pushed PW6, and at the same time another person aged about 30 years also went inside chamber. Stop. Both the persons started firing shots from their revolver. Stop. According to prosecution, the second person who entered subsequently was the appellant. Stop. On seeing accused persons firing shots at the deceased, Stop, PW6 rushed to the adjacent house and informed the police over phone. Stop. Mrs. N. Sherlang, PW2, sister of deceased, and Mrs. PGS Bawa, PW3, wife of deceased, who were in the bedroom of PW3, came out on hearing the sound of gun fire. Stop. Shri Baburam Thapa, PW1, cook of the deceased, who was in the kitchen, heard sound of gun fire coming from the chamber of the deceased and ran towards the office, and he saw PW2 and PW3 were also rushing towards the chamber of the deceased. Stop. When he reached near the chamber, he saw the young boy and the appellant coming out with revolvers in their hands and abusing the deceased. Stop. He could not stop them as they were armed. Stop. Para. Immediately, son-in-law of the deceased, Dr. M.L. Khatri, PW7, and his wife, Mrs. Rashi Khatri, PW8, on being informed, reached the house of deceased and lifted the deceased with the assistance of PW1 and PW6 and put him in the car, and thereafter he was taken to nursing home of PW7 where he was declared dead. Stop. Para Brijmohan was stated to have died in police encounter at Mathura. Stop.